Hi, my name is Miriam Kakii, a telecommunication and information engineering graduate from the Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. I had the pleasure of working with kids interested in learning programming through initiatives such as Kids Go Tech and SES Kids. We taught them how to create games and animations using a simple programming language called Scratch. I gained knowledge from this experience on how to mold young minds interacting with code and the internet for the first time. I also learned to value childlike curiosity and how important openness and inclusion were to nurturing the intellect of anyone seeking to learn. Fortunately, my role as a chairlady at the Women in Tech Club at my university provided an opportunity for me to train high school as well as university level students. Their needs varied significantly, thus my team and I needed to learn how to accommodate their needs and capabilities, ensuring that they not only fully benefited from the program, but also felt included. My skills as a leader have improved by acquiring and using feedback from volunteers so as to maximize on the impact of their contribution. Over time, we have learned to document the progress and achievements of our project for purposes of continuity, as well as offering it as reference material for anyone running a similar project. Lastly, I have learned that quality mentorship not only shapes an individual, but also the project, which I have experienced firsthand through my involvement with the Mozilla Open Leaders program. Growing up, I understood that not many children had the privilege of interacting with a computer as early as I did. The noticeable skill gap between myself and my peers gave me reason to start and even volunteer in initiatives that offered technological training to kids such as Fun Kids and Youth for Tech Foundation. Part of what I do is organize Scratch and Arduino training for kids. Since the internet plays a key role in our training, what I realized is that there was no structure in place to guide the introduction of basic computing and programming skills to these kids. There was also no guide in place to caution their involvement on the internet, ensuring that they are safe and that they are contributing towards making the internet healthier. This has since driven me into currently developing a structure that could guide the delivery mode of that information, starting from what is the internet, how does it work, and where can one get trustworthy information. This foundation will bridge the skill gap in web literacy and also further Kenya's digital economy's blueprint agenda to foster local digital skills and values. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, I have been unable to host in-person sessions for our trainings. Consequently, my team and I are open into forming partnerships with interested organizations and schools to enable us to easily secure venues for meetups, have internet access, and relevant equipment such as laptops, which are pivotal for our training. For now, we are working on uploading training material as well as hosting the training online. We welcome any contribution towards improving the guide to ensure important aspects of computing and programming are covered sufficiently and well delivered. We also encourage volunteers to sign up as trainers. Any financial support to facilitate cost of operation and to aid in the expansion of the project to reach more people, especially those in under-resourced areas when things get back to normal, will go a long way. Currently, our biggest cost incurred is that of securing a domain. I would like to thank the Mozilla Open Leaders X program for helping me put my idea into perspective. Originally, when I started my project, I had a lot going on. I had just landed a full-time job, I was remotely interning for a cybersecurity organization, I had familiar responsibilities back at home, and I was still volunteering for other initiatives as well. One could have argued that I had too much on my plate to even start actualizing my dream. Thankfully, Mozilla surrounded me with people who helped me grow my idea. Like me, I'd like to advise young people to find a community that will empower you to chase your desires. Volunteer and even get involved in projects that will build you and prepare you for your own project. Whatever the circumstance, start from where you are and build from there. Work open to allow people to join your project and contribute in their own capacity. Set goals for the purpose of short-term motivation and long-term vision. Assess your impact. Gather feedback and grow. No contribution you make towards internet health aspects such as web literacy, digital inclusion, or online privacy and security is insignificant. Strive to achieve your goals daily and you will become the transformative change you want to see.